Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we will start with the quickest way to check the serial number, and then I'll show you a full path of how to get into proper information. So let's start with opening the dialer and entering the code, a secret code which will provide us with the information, and it is *06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with the serial number of this device. Whenever you will forget this code, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, so you will be transferred to our website which has the codes, among others of course, the codes for this device. So right now I can show you the second way, so the full path of how to get into that information. So we have to enter the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Phone. And here let's scroll down and we have to find the model. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, right here the serial number is hidden. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.